conversation with two other men using
flip phone for now, because smartphones are way smarter to use. So we want to make it challenging.
Do you know how hard that is?
So the word for the day will be Dalanta Nabada Film Production, DNFP. You gotta add the last
initials in under than 30 seconds.
Well, let's take it. Let's get it started.
Okay, we'll see who's gonna win this.
So let's get this thing started.
Roll 1, scene 1, take action 1. Action. 2, 3.
I'm not, and I'm about to. So you got it from us.
Not supposed to laugh, man.
You got it.
Few more seconds left.
Done. Well, that was under over 30 seconds. That beat
It
the
was
time?
over 30 seconds.
So I didn't beat the time?
Nope.
You fell.
I
Failed the
It's nothing, man.
Yo,
Yeah.
Wow, he's the first one to finish it all. Let's see.
I did.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
We're here to witness iPhone versus Galaxy.
Dumbest.
Let's see who wins. We've got Emre on one side with the iPhone. Woohoo! We got Abdueli with the Galaxy.
Thank you very much.
Woo! And then we got the flip phone. We didn't decide who won. Ladies and gentlemen, who is a fast typer? We're gonna be texting Dalanta Navada Film Production and DNFD. Repeat after me. I solemnly swear
I solemnly swear.
to tell the truth,
Tell the truth.
nothing but the truth.
Nothing
but the truth.
This is tolerating, dude.
So help me.
So help you.
God.
Let's get this started. We got up the Nora's arc.
Hold on, airplane mode right now?
Round 2. First round, we had a technical difficulty. Ladies and gentlemen, iPhone, Galaxy. Get your phones ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! iPhone got a password. Really just rushing through there. We gotta look at those letters. Really set it down.
Damn right, nigga. What you mean you set it down? Nigga, that was not necessary.
Mine comes first.
Sir, you have no authorities to touch the phone.
I'm supposed to hear noise for good pay or no here. Wait, come.
How does it come? That's how this phone is right here. Wait,
You got a bad service, not your phone. Your phone is good. It's your service, nigga.
this nigga right.
No, it's your service. Mine sent mine was right there. Mine is sent already, right? Loud.
The results are in.
The results been in. Who got the
I will disqualify you if you give me that crap.
You tell us the result now?
Let me text you.
Hey.
What's your phone number? Is it anything?
Yeah, we're just waiting. Like we waited on that one. Now it showed up. Okay, let's go reply back. Let's see how long it takes me. Instantly. So basically.
1, 2, 3, go.
The results are in. Welcome back to the contest of seeing Galaxy and iPhone 5. Luckily, the iPhone service is horrible. I repeat, I demand, I am officially telling you not to get that phone. It's not horrible, it's the iPhone 5. And the winner of this competition, Galaxy 4! Woo! Come on down!
Well, thank you. Galaxy S4, you know what I mean? Better well built, better camera, better features. Also instant messages. What can I say? I probably got better service than you.
Would have never
Instant
said it
service.
better myself.
I'm not gonna not said it better by yourself, you know what I mean?
So what will you say here? We got the
Yeah, we got a loser here.
It's not only the service he has a problem with.
You sent me something.
I've been sending it like this all the time.
Yeah, you've been looking at me like, he said, did he get it? So therefore, you should not get an iPhone. More likely, you're better off with a Galaxy S4 or anything that has to do with Android. Well said, and the commentary well said it too.
Thank you for joining us.
Oh no, there's more to go.
I still love my iPhone.
Yeah, well, crappy service, don't you think?
No, it's just the service. I need to change that, that's all. Well, I have no problem with having the service too.
You know, I mean, what if you instant, like instant message, you know?
I pay $40 and I get full internet.
Full internet?
Yeah.
How are we gonna compete about internet now?
Yeah.
Should we? Because
No,
therefore,
my internet is gone so far.
Therefore, I got mine and I pay 55, unlimited everything.
I would buy
55, unlimited everything, and with the unlimited everything, data was 4G.
Yeah, I can
phone is
get that
4G.
same shit.
But the question is your internet fast?
I can do the
So
same
So
thing.
far, your text messages is slower than I expected. Our flip phone beat you. Ooh! Don't instigate niggas there. I don't want a nigga swinging at me. So therefore, therefore the results are in. iPhone is crappy and Galaxy is better. Yeah, take a good look at it. That's the Galaxy, baby. Yeah, I got 3 whatever it is. I still got internet on my shit, but it's pretty fast.
I don't need a 4G internet here.
You don't need a 4G.
I used to have it, but it's kind of ridiculous because I have internet everywhere.
Yeah, therefore you got Wi-Fi connected.
Yeah.
How about this? You on the road? You got Wi-Fi in your car?
Well,
You
I
must
don't
be
need
that damn rich.
Wi-Fi.
You need Wi-Fi.
I don't need to use internet when I'm on the road.
Alright, so how you going GPS? How you going to navigate to your destination?
Well, I can do that with my phone without having 4G.
You don't need a 4G, but you still need a fast internet, don't you? A 3G better. It works 3G too.
Yeah, I know.
Therefore, can your phone, not your phone, can your plan do that?
Well, now I pay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will go for a commercial. There was a great argument on iPhone and Galaxy. Thank you for joining us. After these messages.
Roll 1, scene 1, take action 1. Action.